tēnā koutou, ko wetu rautau Wilson tōku ingoa, ki te nuinga, ko Korty Wilson. E uria au mai te kāhui maunga ki Tangaroa. Ngā mihi kia koutou. The excitement of being at our first Whanganui hearings. Wow, that was very exciting for me. It's been a long process, and being there and feeling the aroha, the sadness of the waiting, brought back many memories, especially of our old people, and our kuia and our koroeke, and all those that have passed and weren't there to see it come to this point. We still have a long way to go. Oh, it was absolutely, it was inspiring, it was awesome. It was a feeling of real togetherness actually. We were there in busloads actually, and so it was just exciting. We actually packed out the gallery for our first reading. There was an iwi there before us, and they were at their first reading, and we thought, wow, once they moved and vacated their seats, the rest of us could all fit in. So we packed out the gallery, but there were also a lot of our people that were down in the waiting room. I particularly thought of my grandma, our grandmother, Rena Ellen Gray, and her dad, Robert Pōpe Gray, who died on the Ngāporo Rapids back in the 1940s. So I thought of our mother, Vera Wakara Nui Mare Kura Wilson, and our dad, William Gardner Wilson, at home, and also thought of our auntie Joan, Hoana Maria Akapita Mare Kura, who fought long and hard for us as a people, her and the likes of Uncle Archie Tairoa, Uncle Tahu, Uncle Rangiwaia Tahu Pārai, and Uncle Mati Mare Kura, and all those that worked hard. And Piripi Hami. So he went down in the history books that day, so that was exciting for us as well. So ngā mihi. So I will be going to the next reading. I look forward to the next reading. I'll be the first one to put my name down at the Ngāti Rangi office or on the bus from Whanganui, so yeah, I'll be there.